What if I told you that you don't need a huge online school to start making money from your knowledge? You might just need a micro course. Many skilled individuals make a big mistake. They think they must create a massive course to sell something. That sounds impressive, but it creates three major problems. It takes too long to build. It overwhelms buyers. Most people never finish creating it. Micro courses solve these problems. They are smaller and faster to create. They are easier to buy and complete. In this video, let's explore how to monetize your skills with micro courses. First, let's define what a micro course is. It's a short course focused on solving one specific problem. Not 10 problems, just one. A giant course says, "Let me teach you everything." A micro course says, "Let me help you get this one result quickly." This approach is often more effective because people want faster progress. They seek clarity and shortcuts. Now, this matters a lot. Most people already have monetizable knowledge. Maybe you know how to create better content, design with Canva, or write effective emails. That knowledge has value. However, value alone doesn't equal income. It needs proper packaging, and micro courses are a clean way to package skills. Here's the first truth. People don't buy courses just because the topic interests them. They want a transformation. If your micro course just feels like random information, it will struggle. If it provides a shortcut to a clear outcome, it's more appealing. Instead of calling your course everything about social media, try how to create 30 days of content in 90 minutes. That's clearer and more appealing. Micro courses succeed when the promise is specific. What types of skills are good for micro courses? Usually one of these is true. Your skill saves time, helps people make money, or improves confidence. Ask yourself this: what can I help someone achieve faster? Focus on the buyer's pain, not your ego. Now let's explore what kinds of micro courses work well. Courses that address narrow, frustrating problems perform best. Examples include how to write better hooks, launch your first meta ad, or create a simple budget. Notice the pattern? Each course is focused with a clear user and outcome, making the offer stronger. Now, don't think your skill is too common. That's not accurate. A skill doesn't need to be rare. It just needs to be useful and well packaged. Clarity is key. Explain concepts simply, help others achieve results, and you can sell that knowledge. Micro courses should feel easy to finish. A buyer should look and think, "I can do this." Keep it simple. Start by explaining the problem and outcome, teach key principles quickly, and provide actionable steps. This structure is enough. Don't overwhelm your audience with unnecessary details. Focus on helping them move forward. Format matters, too. Your micro course does not have to be fancy. It can be slides with voiceovers, screen recordings, or even simple tutorials. The goal is clarity over complexity. Avoid trying to teach too much in one micro course. That blurs the promise and makes sales harder. Keep asking yourself, what's the one result? What's the one frustration? What's the one finish line? Discipline here is essential for powerful micro courses. Now let's talk pricing. Micro courses lower buying resistance. A $500 course from someone unknown may scare a buyer off. But a smaller, focused course at an affordable price is easier to accept. Micro courses help you monetize quickly and build trust with buyers. Once people see results from small products, they're likely to buy larger ones later. This builds a strategic ladder, bringing people into your ecosystem. For your micro course topic, consider this formula: skill plus specific audience plus painful problem plus clear outcome. For example, teach Canva for coaches needing better Instagram carousels. These targeted courses sell better than generic ones. Now about proof. You don't need to be a celebrity to create a course. You just need to be steps ahead of the buyer. That's enough. If you can simplify something and guide someone through it, you're qualified to teach. Trust matters, so include proof when possible, like results, testimonials, or processes. Now let's talk about how to market your micro course. Create content around the problem your course solves. If your course teaches how to create engaging Instagram carousels, create content that focuses on common mistakes and best practices. This content prepares the audience for the solution your course offers, making it a natural next step. Micro courses compound effectively. One course leads to 2, then 4, building a product ecosystem. This flexible model helps you test the market quickly. You'll learn what content resonates best and helps you refine future offerings. The deeper truth is this: micro courses work because buyers today feel overwhelmed. They want simplicity and clarity in their learning. A good micro course organizes the process and compresses the learning curve. To monetize your skills, follow this simple blueprint. Identify one useful skill. Choose a narrow outcome. Define your audience. Structure your course for a quick win. Keep the format straightforward. Create supporting content around the problem. Launch quickly before overcomplicating it. Gather buyer feedback to improve. This is the key to success. A focused solution meets a clear need. When you package the right skill into a concise offer, you transform knowledge into a sellable product. So if you've been wondering how to monetize your knowledge, consider this. You don't need a bigger audience or a monster course. A smaller, sharper offer, a micro course, might be what you really need. Transform your skills into something the market can buy.